Morning. I was watching on YouTube and they were talking about getting these little nails out of your concrete slab foundations. And I saw people doing all kinds of stuff, using cut-off wheels and using, stuff that just didn't make sense. I saw people using these, and I'm telling you, just watch what I'm about to do. You get yourself a nice big chisel, big one, and a little sledge, and you watch what happens here. And if you got to be careful, because it's possible to hit your wrist or hand. So if you're afraid to do it, get your wife to do it. All right, watch. Look at that. Now this one here, you got a bit of a dimple. Some of them I've done, you don't get no divot. The trick is you got to get this thing at the right angle. I did it yesterday and they were coming out real easy. Look at that little divot. Look at, you see, I've seen people that are saying you get big. Some of them you do, but if you're hitting it just right, you're going to get no divot at all, really. You got to get that thing just right, and this probably is a little dull now, too. And that's it. I did these yesterday, and if you can see, some of them left hardly no divot at all. And I don't know, I hope that helps somebody, because the stuff I saw on YouTube, I thought it wasn't half as fast as this. And if you get yourself cut-off wheels, you're going to go through a lot of cut-off wheels. You buy this, and this will last forever, and you can put it in your last will and testament and give it to your grandchildren. Thanks a lot. Adios.